Hello and welcome to my English Learning Podcast. My name is Anna and I am your teacher. Today we are going to talk about a very special place. I want to show you my beautiful home. I live in a quiet and nice neighborhood. My house is not very big, but it is comfortable. It has 2 floors and a small green garden. The front door is painted bright blue. There are lovely flowers near the entrance. I love to look at them every morning. The windows are large and let in a lot of light. You can see a tall tree from the street. Birds often sing in this tree. It is a wonderful sound to start the day. I have a small bench near the door. Sometimes I sit there with a cup of tea. My neighbors are very polite and friendly people. The street is always clean and safe. I feel very happy when I arrive here. It is the best place to relax after work. Let us step inside the house together. Please take off your shoes at the door. I have some warm slippers for my guests. The hallway is narrow but very bright. There is a mirror on the wall. A small key holder hangs next to it. I always put my keys there. This helps me not to lose them. I am glad you are here with me. Let us walk into the first room. This is my living room. It is my favorite place to spend evenings. The walls are painted a soft beige color. In the middle of the room, there is a big sofa. The sofa is gray and very soft. There are many colorful pillows on it. A warm yellow blanket lies on the corner. Opposite the sofa, you can see a television. I watch interesting movies here on weekends. Under the television, there is a low wooden cabinet. A large green plant stands in the corner. I water this plant every Tuesday. There is a thick carpet on the floor. It feels very nice under my feet. On the wall, I have 3 small pictures. They show beautiful landscapes from my travels. I also have a tall bookshelf here. It is full of English books and magazines. Reading is a great way to learn new words. A small coffee table sits near the sofa. Usually, there is a candle on the table. I light the candle to create a cozy atmosphere. The big window faces the backyard. White curtains hang on the window. They move gently when the wind blows. My living room is always clean and tidy. I enjoy inviting my friends to this room. We talk, laugh, and drink hot chocolate. It is a space filled with good memories. Next, we can visit the place where I cook. Welcome to my bright kitchen. It is connected to the dining area. The kitchen cabinets are completely white. The countertops are made of dark gray stone. Everything looks modern and very clean. On the left, there is a large refrigerator. Inside, I keep fresh vegetables, fruit, and milk. Next to the fridge, you can see the stove. I use it to make delicious meals every day. Cooking is a very relaxing hobby for me. There is a microwave oven on the counter. It helps me warm up food quickly. The sink is always shiny and neat. I have a small rack for drying dishes. A coffee machine stands near the window. It makes a perfect espresso in the morning. I cannot start my day without coffee. In the middle of the room stands a wooden table. 4 comfortable chairs are placed around it. A bowl of fresh fruit sits on the table. Right today, it has apples and bananas inside. The kitchen window is quite big. I can see the beautiful garden while washing dishes. There are some green herbs growing in small pots. I use fresh basil and parsley for my dinner. The floor is covered with light gray tiles. It is very easy to clean them. My kitchen always smells like fresh food and coffee. I spend a lot of time here. Let us go upstairs to see the private rooms. We are upstairs in my bedroom. This room is quiet and very peaceful. The walls are a light blue color. Blue helps me sleep much better at night. A large, comfortable bed stands against the wall. It has white sheets and a warm duvet. 2 soft pillows are at the head of the bed. On each side, there is a small nightstand. A night lamp sits on my bedside table. I read a few pages of a book before sleep. There is also an alarm clock next to the lamp. It wakes me up at 7 o'clock. A big wooden wardrobe stands in the corner. All my clothes are organized inside it. I keep my dresses, shirts, and jeans there. A full-length mirror is attached to the wardrobe door. I look at myself there when getting dressed. The floor here is made of dark wood. A small, fluffy rug lies next to the bed. It is nice to step on it in the morning. There are no electronic devices in this room. I do not have a television here. This rule helps me stay calm and rest. The window has dark curtains to block the light. They keep the room dark during the night. I always open the window in the morning for fresh air. My bedroom is my personal island of safety. I feel completely relaxed when I am here. It gives me energy for the next day. We have one more important room to check. This small room is my home office. I work and prepare my English lessons here. The room is quiet and has a lot of light. A large wooden desk stands near the wall. My laptop sits in the center of the desk. I use it to create interesting materials for you. An ergonomic office chair helps my back stay straight. On the desk, there is a cup with pens and pencils. A paper notebook lies open for my daily plans. I like to write down my ideas. A modern desk lamp provides light during dark evenings. Behind the chair, there are shelves with dictionaries. I have many grammar books for teaching. A small printer sits on a separate table. Sometimes I print worksheets for my students. The walls are decorated with motivational posters. They inspire me to work hard every day. There is a big clock on the wall. It helps me manage my time effectively. A small window looks out at the quiet street. Sometimes I take a short break to look outside. I see people walking their dogs in the afternoon. This room is very organized and clean. Good organization helps me think clearly. I enjoy spending my working hours here. It is the perfect place for concentration. Teaching English from this room is a pleasure. My student materials are always ready on time. I am very proud of this workspace. Follow me to the last part of my home. We are standing on my small balcony. It is located right next to the office. From here, you can see the whole backyard. The view is absolutely beautiful at sunset. The sky has colors of orange and pink. There are two small chairs on the balcony. A tiny round table stands between them. I have many green plants in clay pots here. Some flowers are blooming with bright colors. The air feels fresh and cool right evening. I love to listen to the evening sounds. The city is quiet at this hour. This balcony is a wonderful place to end the day. We have seen all the rooms in my house. You know my living room, kitchen, and bedroom. You saw my workspace and my beautiful garden views. Sharing my home with you was a great pleasure. Talking about houses helps practice important English words. You learned words like kitchen, sofa, wardrobe, and desk. Try to describe your own home in English. Is your house big or small? What color are the walls in your living room? Practice makes your language skills perfect. Thank you for listening to my podcast today. You did a great job with your listening practice. I hope you enjoyed this little house tour. Goodbye for today, my dear students. See you in the next English lesson. Have a beautiful morning or evening. Take care of yourself and keep learning.
Write one English word in comments. 5 people get 10 English lessons free.